Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the San Francisco Fire Department and how we can help them using data visualization and machine learning to better their cause, the fight against fire. Our project has two parts. One part is the overview, where we try to determine when and where fires happened and visualize that in order to be very accessible and easy to view. The second part is prediction, where we use machine learning to understand correlation and causation and try to predict where and when fires will happen from now on. Our first visualization will be a map of the city of San Francisco showing how the different districts have been affected by fire over the years. This time slider will allow you to go back and forth in time and see how that pattern has changed. Hovering over a single district will pop up this window will tell you graphs and information about that specific district. Our second graph will be a linear graph showing the overall trend over time with the possibility of zooming in using this time slider over here. Our third graph will be this stacked bar chart that will show the different types of fire and how much they affected each district of a city. Okay, now that we saw the graphs, let's talk a bit about the genre. The main genre used will be the slideshow because it conveys different graphs one at a time in order to make the data easier to understand. The magazine style will also be used because we would like to have annotations and text on the side to further the ease of understanding. Um, our dataset is quite complex, it's big. It has 5 million rows and something around 34 attributes. So what we will need for it, besides the dataset itself, is probably a strong GPU to process all of it. Our implementation plan follows these stages. We first have a data extraction, then a data cleaning. Once this is done, we can do the exploration and pattern recognition. And once we have the patterns and we kind of understand what's happening, we will use machine learning to do the predictions from the future, ending up in visualization.